Once you have your sheet rolled out, I use a 3-inch round cutter and I press it right into the sheet of pasta. I squeeze out about a 3/4 inch round of filling and I place it right in the middle of the round. And then again, I just fold them over, making a half moon, and then press the edges so it's nice and sealed. And then while it's lying flat, I press right in the middle of it to make a little bit of a dimple. See how I just kind of seal the edges and then turn it around and press right in the middle of it to make a little bit of a dimple.